Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss 100 current affairs for 2022. So let's start the quiz. First, Ramakrishna missions were established in many countries and many parts of India by option A. Ramakrishna Paramhansa, B. Ma Sarada, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. Swami Vivekanand. The correct answer is D. Swami Vivekanand. Ramakrishna Mission was started by Swami Vivekanand in 1897. Second, which of the following can a court issue for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Option A decree, B an ordinance, C a writ, D a notification. The correct answer is C a writ. The Supreme Court, the highest in the country, may issue writs under Article 32 of the Constitution for enforcement of fundamental rights. Third, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Purna Swaraj Resolution 1929, B. Martyrdom of Sardar Bhagat Singh 1931, C. Formation of Congress Socialist Party 1938, D. Shimla Conference 1945. The correct answer is C. Formation of Congress Socialist Party 1938. The actual answer is the Congress Socialist Party was founded in 1934. Rest other options are correctly matched. Fourth, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions is a option A fundamental right, B fundamental duty, C human right, D natural desire. The correct answer is B fundamental duty. Fifth, what does universal adult franchise mean? The correct answer is D. It means any citizen of India 18 years of age or above can vote irrespective of race, caste, religion, sex, place of birth, can participate in electoral process. Sixth, Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form of option A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Maharashtra, D Rajasthan. The correct answer is A Kerala. Mohiniyattam is an Indian classical dance form that developed and remained popular in the state of Kerala. Kathakali is another classical dance form of Kerala. Seventh, name the first country which introduced GST in its system. Option A Canada, B France, C Australia, D Germany. The correct answer is B France. France was the first country to introduce GST in 1954. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. 8. Almaty Dam is a hydroelectric project on the river. Option A Krishna, B Yamuna, C Godavari, D Kaveri. The correct answer is A Krishna. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam is also known as Almaty Dam is a hydroelectric project on the Krishna River in North Karnataka. Ninth, what is the full form of ASSOCHAM? The correct answer is A. Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry. It is a non-governmental trade association and advocacy group based in New Delhi, India. 10th, which of the following dance forms belongs to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A Bidesiya, B Karma, C Rof, D Swang. The correct answer is C Rof. 11th, the International Monetary Fund came into existence with option A Berlin Conference, B London Conference, C Bretton Woods Conference, D none of the above. The correct answer is C. Bretton Woods Conference. 12th. Who developed the first working laser? Option A. Sir Frank Whittle, B. Fred Morrison, C. Theodore Mayman, D. Dr. Charles H. Jones. The correct answer is C. Theodore Mayman. He is the one who developed the first working laser in 1960. 13. The journalist who refused to accept Padma Bhushan was option A. Shekaran Nair, B. Khushwant Singh, C. Ratan Thiam, D. Arun Shiroy. The correct answer is B. Khushwant Singh. He is a journalist who refused to accept Padma Bhushan in 1974. 14. The Leaning Temple of Huma is dedicated to which Hindu god? Option A. Shiva, B. Rama, C. Krishna, D. Hanuman. The correct answer is A. Shiva. The Leaning Temple of Huma in India is the only leaning temple in the world. It is located in Huma, a village situated on the bank of Mahandi. The temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. 15. Who produced the first gasoline automobile? Option A. Gottlieb Daimler, B. Henry Ford, C. Rudolf Diesel, D. Carl Benz. Correct answer is D. Carl Benz. If we had to give credit to one inventor, it would probably be Carl Benz from Germany. 16th. Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought in the year. The correct answer is C. 1576. 17. Which country is the largest producer of rice? Option A. Brazil, B. China, C. United States, D. India. The correct answer is B. China. China is the largest producer of rice in the world, followed by India. 18. First country to appoint Lokpal or equivalent to the Lokpal is option A. Brazil, B. Burma, C. Sweden, D. India. The correct answer is C. Sweden. 19. The ionosphere overlaps which two layers of the atmosphere? Option A. Troposphere and mesosphere, B. Mesosphere and stratosphere, C. Ionosphere and homosphere, D. Exosphere and thermosphere. The correct answer is D. Exosphere and thermosphere. 20. Santhara is a religious ritual of which community? Option A. Sikhs, B. Jews, C. Jain, D. Buddhist. The correct answer is C. Jain. 21. Which one among the following is a cold ocean current? Option A. Canary Current, B. Brazil Current, C. Gulf Stream, D. Kuroshio Current. The correct answer is A. Canary Current. Canary Current is a cold current which blows in the North Atlantic Ocean. 22. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons is headquartered in option A. Denmark, B. Netherlands, C. Sweden, D. Switzerland. The correct answer is B. Netherlands. 23. The Ran Utsav is a festival celebrated in option A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Gujarat. Ran Utsav is celebrated every year in Gujarat. 24. The main cause of rancidity in foods is the dash of fats and oils. Option A. Hydrolysis, B. Oxidation, C. Clarification, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D, both A and B. That is A, hydrolysis, and B, oxidation. 25th, according to Mahatma Gandhi, the British rule in India was established option A by using force, B by using foreign powers, C without the cooperation of Indians, D with the cooperation of Indians. The correct answer is D with the cooperation of Indians. 26. Who is the author of the book Jinnah Often Came to Our House? Option A Sunita Narayan, B Kiran Doshi, C Dinanath Gopal Tendulkar, D Suvendra Shekhar. The correct answer is B Kiran Doshi. 27. The headquarter of the Board of Control for Cricket in India is located in option A Delhi, B Mumbai, C Chennai, D Kolkata. Correct answer is B Mumbai. 28. Open market operation refers to the sale and purchase of dash by the RBI. Option A government securities, B bullions, C fixed property, D foreign currency. The correct answer is A government securities. An open market operation is the buying and selling of government securities in the open market. 29. Name the largest volcano on earth. Option A Mauna Kea, B Ojos del Salado, C Mount Vesuvius, D Mauna Loa. The correct answer is D Mauna Loa. It is the largest volcano on earth. 30. Nanda Devi National Park is located in Chamoli district of option A Uttarakhand, B Himachal Pradesh, C Sikkim, D Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is A Uttarakhand. 31. In which organ of human body are the lymphocytes formed? Option A liver, B bone marrow, C spleen, D pancreas. Correct answer is B bone marrow. 32. Which of the following does not have enzyme in its cells? Option A lichen, B virus, C bacteria, D none of these. The correct answer is D none of these. 33. Government of India issued order to block 43 mobile apps on 24 November 2020. Under which ministry? Option A Ministry of Science and Technology, B Ministry of External Affairs, C Ministry of Home Affairs, D Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. The correct answer is Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. Government of India issues order to block 43 mobile apps on November 24, 2020, that is total to 220 Chinese apps till date under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. 34. Which one of the following industrial economic corridor of India is being developed in collaboration with Japan? The correct answer is C. Delhi Mumbai. 35. The country which has the longest north-south extension of its territory is option A Russia, B Chile, C China, D Brazil. Correct answer is B Chile. Chile is the world's longest country from north to south, measuring at 4620 km. 36. Which one of the following countries is the largest country without borders in terms of geographical area? Option A New Zealand, B Philippines, C Japan, D Cuba. The correct answer is C Japan. 37th. Which one of the following Indian state has the largest number of members in its state legislature? Option A Arunachal Pradesh, B Himachal Pradesh, C Manipur, D Meghalaya. The correct answer is B Himachal Pradesh. 38. Which one of the following constitutional remedies is also known as postmortem? Postmortem. Option A prohibition, B nandamus, C certiorari, D quo warranto. The correct answer is D quo warranto. 39. Under whose leadership was suppression of thugs achieved? Option A Lord Clive, B Captain Sleeman, C Lord Minto, D Alexander Burns. The correct answer is B Captain Sleeman. 40. Who used Hooghly as a base of piracy in the Bay of Bengal? Option A the Dutch, B the French, C the Portuguese, D the British. The correct answer is C the Portuguese. 41. Which is the largest union territory of India? Option A Goa, B Andaman and Nicobar Islands, C Puducherry, D Chandigarh. The correct answer is B Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 42. What are equinox days? Option A when day is smaller than night, B when day is longest in the year, C when day is greater than night, D when day and night are equal. Correct answer is D when day and night are equal. It is called equinox days. 43. Which state has decided to recruit transgender people as aisle wardens? Option A Uttarakhand, B Tamil Nadu, C Kerala, D Odisha. The correct answer is D Odisha. 44. Molybdenite is an mineral of option A molybdenum, B nickel, C silver, D tin. The correct answer is A molybdenum. 45. Which of the following gases emitted from automobile exhaust is poisonous? Option A carbon monoxide, B carbon dioxide, C hydrocarbons, D sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is A carbon monoxide. 46. At the equilibrium price, option A quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied, B quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied, C elasticity of demand equals elasticity of supply, D price elasticity of demand is unity. The correct answer is A quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. It is called equilibrium price. The equilibrium price is the market price where the quantity of goods supplied is equal to the quantity of goods demanded. 47. Bhangra is a folk dance of option A Arunachal Pradesh, B Punjab, C Assam, D Nagaland. The correct answer is B Punjab. 48. Gateway of India situated in option A Gujarat, B Delhi, C Mumbai, D Jaipur. The correct answer is C Mumbai. 49. Who discovered benzene? Option A Halanger, B Michael Faraday, C Bruce Ames, D Nicholas Appert. The correct answer is B Michael Faraday. 50. Dash gets converted to phosgen when exposed to sunlight. Option A chloroform, B acetone, C benzene, D propylene. The correct answer is A chloroform. 51. Ryder Cup is related to which sport? Option A football, B golf, C badminton, D cricket. The correct answer is B golf. 52. Which one of the following is a rabi crop? Option A cotton, B maize, C. Arhar, D. Mustard. The correct answer is D. Mustard. 53. The governor recommends the imposition of the president's rule in a state. Correct answer is D. If he is satisfied that the government of the state cannot be carried in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution of India. 54. Who among the following Prime Minister resigned before facing a vote of no confidence in Lok Sabha? Option A. Chandrasekhar, B. Morarji Desai, C. Chaudhry Charan Singh, D. VP Singh. Correct answer is Chaudhry Charan Singh. 55. Who among the following is known as the father of civil services in India? Option A. Lord Cornwallis, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord William Bentinck. Correct answer is A. Lord Cornwallis. He is known as father of civil services in India. 56. Which one is an example of parallel cropping? Option A. Potato plus rice, B. Wheat plus mustard, C. Cotton plus wheat, D. Sorghum plus potato. The correct answer is wheat plus mustard. It is known as parallel cropping. 57. In which year was the Keshav Nanda Bharati case implemented in the basic structure of the Constitution? Option A 1973, B 1976, C 1978, D 1980. The correct answer is A 1973. 58. Who conferred the title of Gurudev on Rabindranath Tagore? Option A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Pandit Nehru, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi gave the title of Gurudev to Rabindranath Tagore to pay the tribute to Rabindranath Tagore, who gave Gandhiji the title of Mahatma. 59. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana was launched in 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Option A. Sonipat, Haryana, B. Panipat, Haryana, C. Gurugram, Haryana, D. Patna, Bihar. Correct answer is B. Panipat, Haryana. 60. Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary or National Park is located in the state of Option A. Assam, B. Tamil Nadu, C. UP, D. Kerala. The correct answer is A. Assam. 61. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroyalty of Option A. Canning, B. Dalhousie, C. Ripon, D. Elkin. Correct answer is A. Canning. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroyalty of Lord Canning. 62. From where did India adopted the federal system with a strong center? Option A. United States of America, B. Canada, C. UK, D. France. The correct answer is B. Canada. 63. The convention that once a speaker, always a speaker is followed in Option A. UK, B. USA, C. France, D. India. The correct answer is A. UK. 64. Which one of the following is a feature of presidential form of government? Option A. It protects the freedom of people. B. It ensures the speedy execution of policies. C. Fixed term stabilizes the system. Or D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 65. Which of the following is not considered a democracy? Option A. USA, B. Norway, C. India, D. China. The correct answer is D. China. 66. Ergodism is due to consumption of Option A. Contaminated grains, B. Rotting vegetables, C. Contaminated water, D. Safe cooked food. The correct answer is contaminated grains. Option number A. 67. Which among the following elements has the highest electronegativity? Option A gallium, B sodium, C arsenic, D calcium. The correct answer is C arsenic. 68. The two elements that are frequently used for making transistors are option A boron and aluminium, B silicon and germanium, C iridium and tungsten, D niobium and columbium. The correct answer is B silicon and germanium. 69. The reason of mirage is correct answer is D total internal reflection of light. 70. What was the fissionable material used in the bombs dropped at Nagasaki in the year 1945? Option A sodium, B potassium, C plutonium, D iron. The correct answer is C plutonium. 71. In the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is included in the correct answer is A directive principle of state policy. 72. Test of lead chromate is conducted for the sample of option A coriander powder, B chili powder, C turmeric powder, D none of these. Correct answer is C turmeric powder. 73. What is approx the percentage of forest cover in India? Option A 8.5%, B 10%, C 24%, D 19.5%. The correct answer is C 24%. 74. HACCP stands for correct answer is B hazard analysis and critical control points. 75. Which of the following is the main goal of the Codex Alimentarius Commission? The correct answer is all. A. To protect the health of consumers, B. To facilitate international trade, and C. To ensure fair practices in the international food trade. 76. Which among the following sources gives a detailed account of city administration of the Mauryan Empire? Correct answer is B. Megasthenes Indica. 77. Who has the highest number of gold medals in the Olympic history? Option A. Larissa Latvinia, B. Mark Spitz, C. Michael Phelps, D. Saina Nehwal. The correct answer is C. Michael Phelps. He has secured maximum gold medal in Olympics. 78. Headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is located in option A Washington DC USA, B Rome Italy, C the Hague Netherlands, D the New York USA. The correct answer is Rome Italy. 79. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through option A Nepal, B Myanmar, C Bangladesh, D China. The correct answer is A Nepal. 80. Sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution provides special administrative provision in regards to the tribal areas of. The correct answer is A Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. 81. Great Barrier Reef of Australia is situated parallel to option A West Coast, B East Coast, C North Coast, D South Coast. The correct answer is B East Coast. 82. Who among the following was nominated by Mahatma Gandhi for the presidentship of the Congress in 1939 against Subhash Chandra Bose? Option A Patabhi Sitaramaya, B Govind Ballabh Pant, C Jawaharlal Nehru, D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Please give this answer in the comment section. I would love to hear your suggestion. 83. Sandstone is metamorphosed to option A slate, B shale, C quartzite, D marble. The correct answer is C quartzite. 84. January 26 was selected as the date for the inauguration of the constitution because correct answer is C, because Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. 85. Choose the correct options regarding cultivation in Harappan civilization. Correct answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means all. Three principal of varieties of wheat has been found. It is correct. Three varieties of barley were cultivated. Third is lentils were cultivated. And the fourth is among oil seeds, mustard, linseed and sesame have been founded. These all options are correct. Regarding cultivation in Harappan civilization. 86. A closed economy is an economy in which the option A, money supply is fully controlled, B, deficit financing takes place, C, only exports take place, D, neither exports nor imports take places. Correct answer is closed economy is an economy in which neither exports nor imports take place. 87. The lowest unit in the Panchavati Rai institution is the option A, Panchayat Samiti, B, Village Panchayat, C, Zilla Parishad, D, Gram Sabha. The correct answer is B, Village Panchayat. 88. Who among the following presided over the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is D, Vallabhbhai Patel. The Karachi session was presided over by Sardar Patel. 89. In which session did the Muslim League give the slogan Divide and Quit? The correct answer is D, Karachi, 1943. 90. Which of the following Puranas is the earliest? Option A, Matsya, B, Vishnu, C, Bhagavad, D, Markandeya. The correct answer is A, Matsya. Matsya Purana is the one of the oldest of the 18 post-Vedic Hindu scriptures called the Puranas. 91. Who among the following Urdu poet was invited to the second and third round table conference? Option A, Faiz Ahmad, B, Josh Malihabdi, Badi, C, Muhammad Iqbal, D, Firaq Gorakhpuri. The correct answer is C, Muhammad Iqbal. 92. Which one of the following places has been referred to by the Arab travelers as the House of Gold? Correct answer is B, Multan. Multan has been referred to by Arab travelers as the House of Gold. 93. The Finance Commission in India is appointed by option A, President of India, B, Prime Minister of India, C, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct answer is A, President of India. 94. In terms of area, which one of the following Indian state has the largest coverage of forest? A, Chhattisgarh, B, Arunachal Pradesh, C, Madhya Pradesh, D, Odisha. The correct answer is C, Madhya Pradesh. 95. Major Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India on which among the following dates? Option A, 29th, May 29th, B, June 29th, C, July 29th, D, August 29th. The correct answer is D, August 29th. 96. With reference to the Indian freedom struggle, which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the given events? Correct answer is B. First, partition of Bengal, then Surat split of Congress, then Lucknow Pact. Partition of Bengal was held in 1905, Surat split 1907, and Lucknow Pact 1916. 97. Who was the founder of Gajapati dynasty of Odisha? Option A, Purushottam, B, Vidyadhara, C, Kapilendra, D, Prataprudra. Correct answer is C, Kapilendra. 98. Who among the following has started the Khilafat movement? Option A. Shaukat Ali, B. Muhammad Ali, C. Abdul Kalam Azad, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. A. Shaukat Ali, B. Muhammad Ali, and C. Abdul Kalam Azad. They all started the Khilafat movement. 99. Inflation in India is measured on which of the following indexes or indicators? Option A. Cost of living index, B. Consumer price index, C. Gross domestic product, D. Wholesale price index. The correct answer is D. Wholesale price index. 100. The highest peak in Indian territory is Nanda Devi. It is located in option A. Trans Himalayas, B. Central Himalayas, C. Karakoram Range, D. Kumaon Himalayas. The correct answer is D. Kumaon Himalayas. It is the highest peak in Indian territories is Nanda Devi. It is located in Kumaon Himalayas. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.